In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove phone number from Discord, and we're going to start right away. Now, first step, go to your Discord account. Then once you're here, click on your user settings down here. Then on user settings under my account, go to your right, and here you will see your username, email, and phone number. Right now, on your current phone number, just click on remove button right here. Then provide your password. After that, click on remove button, and that number will be removed from your account. Now, if you want to add another phone number on the same page, go to phone number section and click on add a button. Next, click here and select your country code from this list right here, or you can just type in your country name up here, and the code will be shown. To click on it, then go ahead and type in the phone number you want to add. After that, just click on send, and the code will be sent to that number you have provided. But before that, you need to confirm you are not a robot by checking this box right here on reCAPTCHA. Right, next, now you need to provide the code you have received on your phone number. Then next, enter your password to confirm your changes. After that, just click on confirm, and your new phone number will be added on your account. So it's that simple. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.